am Venkatesh Sai Suryakiran, studying in 9th standard of B section. Shri KV English School, Shri CVV Educational Center, Chikkaballapur. This is regarding the ongoing SKVS Corona contest of 2021. On account of 25th Thursday, coronavirus, it is fully called as novel corona COVID-19. The origin of this virus is still a big question mark in the universe. The controversy began from the Wuhan Institute of Virology located in China. Few say it is a man-made virus, few say it is a mismatch in the Virology Institute of Wuhan. Forget about the origin. Unfortunately, this deadly virus spread over the globe. In the year 2019, mid of November, the whole world started thinking over COVID-19. Late December of 2019 and the early January of 2020, most of the countries in the globe started measuring the virus and its contagiousness. Slowly started to implement some strict regulations on the international travel and cargo. In India, first case was diagnosed on January 17th of 2020 in Kerala. For the first time, later due to many reasons, lack of awareness among the common people, heavy population, delayed decisions by the government, lack of necessary supplements like masks and PPE kits made the virus more contagious, and it spread all over the country. Later, on 23rd of March 2020, the nation was brought to a situation of health emergency. The nation was declared to go on for a 21-day never ever heard lockdown. For us students, these words like contagious, lockdown, sealed down, quarantine and social distancing were very new. And today these words are common than any other words. According to the researchers and the scientists, COVID virus is 80 times smaller than a mustard seed. So it is easy to spread for it. Symptoms of COVID-19 were cough, cold, headache, sore throat, fever and restlessness. Later, many doctors of globe found the medicine for this virus. This medicine included viral tablets and the injections like ivermectin and remdesivir, etc. Antibacterial medicines like azithromycin, clarithromycin. Though there was nothing prescribed, regular drugs like vitamin tablets, zinc tablets and anti-gastritis tablets. Later, steroids like dexamethasone were prescribed for the patients with severity. For patients with more severity are treated with ventilators and the non-invasive treatment. As the days passed on, they also found that blood plasma of the cured patients was very helpful in treating the patients with severity and comorbidities. In spite of all these medicines and researchers, still lakhs of people lost their lives due to COVID-19 in the globe. In India, as of now, nearly 4 lakh people has lost their lives due to COVID. According to the government statistics, and the people will also say that thousands of people died without registering as COVID patients. In India, more than 3 crore people infected by this virus. Today, we see mutations in this virus. As now, according to the researchers, there are more than 100 mutations. Commonly, we Indians know few like South African variant, Britain variant, African variant, and they also say that as Indian variant. The latest mutant is Delta Plus. It has already started to trouble the people in the globe and our country. We are experiencing new things like first wave. Though first wave was very bad, but the second wave was very worst. Many young people lost their lives. It is not that everyone gets infected by this virus. There are few things that by practicing we can stop getting infected. First and foremost is stay in home unless and until it is essential. By wearing a mask when you are out of the house and using sanitizers. Most important precaution is washing your hands frequently with water and soap. And maintaining social distance also helps us to stay away from virus. We students started experiencing virtual classes or online classes and virtual learning without going to school. Online tuition, tests, and online exams. Though this learning evaluating process was digitalized, new dimensions were found in schooling. Dear friends, after listening to all this presentation, first thing I would like to do is mount and pray for lives lost due to COVID-19, especially for the near and dear ones. My deepest condolence for them. Further predictions are most threatening because it is said the third wave is most contagious for children. Now, Indians are proud enough to find out manufacture provide its own vaccine. One is Covishield, bought by Serum Institute of Pune in collaboration with AstraZeneca, Oxford. And the second one is Covaxin by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, Hyderabad. As of now, more than 30 crore Indians are vaccinated. I conclude, I request all my elder ones to vaccinate yourself, my friends and younger ones, to stay in home, go out if it is really necessary. Take healthy and nutritious food. Perform yoga to improve your lungs capacity. Most of all, I request every citizen to use mask, sanitize yourself, and wash your hands at frequent intervals. At last, I thank my principal and all my teachers for providing an opportunity to create awareness about COVID-19. After this presentation, I am going to my regular practices. Hence, I am wearing a mask. Thank you. Jai Hind.